How to see how many hours you have played a game on PS4. Let's get started. Ever wondered how many hours you have sunk into your favorite PS4 games? Today we are diving into whether it's possible to track your playtime on PlayStation 4. When you log into your PlayStation 4 and head over to your account library, you might expect to see details about your playtime. However, upon exploring the applications or games purchased, you will notice a glaring absence, no playtime details. Even opening up the details about a specific game won't reveal your playtime. Unlike its successor, the PlayStation 5, which boasts as a default feature allowing you to easily monitor your playtime across all games in library, the PS5 lacks this functionality. So, is there a workaround? Can you enable this feature for your PS4 games? Unfortunately, as of today, PSN or PlayStation does not offer a method to view your playtime on PS4 games unless the game itself has a game tracker. Some games do provide this feature, displaying your playtime either within the game or on a save file, but for the majority of titles, it remains a mystery. So to clear things up, if you have been searching for a way to see how many hours you have clocked on your PS4 games, I'm here to tell you. It's currently impossible. This video isn't about spreading misinformation, it's about informing you the reality of the situation. If this video answered your questions, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more quick and easy tips. Thanks for watching.